Think you need to spend $500 for a pro drone? Think again. These 5 drones under $200 offer stunning footage, obstacle avoidance, and GPS tracking without breaking the bank. I rounded up the top 5 best drones under $200 in 2025, all packed with premium features like 4K or 8K cameras, GPS, gimbals, and obstacle avoidance. Let's jump in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. AE3 Pro Max. First up, the AE3 Pro Max, a budget drone that feels anything but cheap. It comes with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, laser obstacle avoidance, and its own built-in controller screen, so you don't need a smartphone to fly it. Pros: 3-axis gimbal equals ultra-stable footage, built-in display for easy control, GPS for smart return to home, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. Best for beginners and casual flyers who want simplicity, smooth video, and great safety features. Number 2. X40 GPS Drone. The X40 GPS Drone delivers pro-level visuals with its 8K camera and 3-axis gimbal, ensuring buttery-smooth aerial footage. With brushless motors and 5G FPV streaming, it's ideal for creators on a budget. Pros: 8K HD camera plus 3-axis stabilization, 5G Wi-Fi for real-time FPV, long-range GPS navigation, brushless motors equals longer life, less noise. Best for drone enthusiasts or YouTubers who want sharp, cinematic aerial shots under $200. Number 3. Patensic Atom SE. The Patensic Atom SE is a sleek, travel-friendly drone that weighs under 249 g, which means no FAA registration needed in the US. It offers 4K video, a single-axis gimbal, and up to 4 kilometers control distance. Pros: ultra-portable under 249 g, 4K resolution for sharp footage, GPS plus return to home, beginner-friendly interface. Best for travelers, beginners, and anyone who wants a light, legal-to-fly drone anywhere in the US. Number 4. S28 GPS Drone. With its dual 8K cameras, optical flow positioning, and laser obstacle avoidance, the S28 GPS Drone is built for immersive aerial photography. You can switch between front and bottom cameras while in flight. Pros: dual 8K cameras for flexible angles, GPS and optical flow for stable hover, brushless motor plus 360 degrees avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Best for creative users who want unique angles and reliable GPS tracking at a budget price. Number 5. F204 Upgraded 8K Drone. Rounding off the list is the F204, a foldable 8K drone with 5G Wi-Fi, laser obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors. It's great for both casual flying and semi-professional use. Pros: 8K video resolution, foldable and portable, laser obstacle sensors, strong signal with 5G FPV. Best for anyone who wants a sleek, powerful drone that folds up and fits in your backpack. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. There you have it, the best drones under $200 in 2025, each offering incredible value with advanced features like 8K cameras, GPS, gimbals, and more. No matter your experience level, one of these drones is going to elevate your flying game. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more awesome budget tech, and let me know in the comments, which drone are you picking up first?